Hi, I'm John from the White Ribbons and the co-founder of the School of Rock and Media in Bradford, West Yorkshire, the United Kingdom. I've been playing drums since around 13 years old, playing on my mum's couch with bands like Duran Duran and The Who, watching Top of the Pops and the All Grey Whistle Test, using a pair of Dowlings long before I could afford a drum set. I play the Collision 7As with stick wrap. I find them light and durable. In fact, they are the most durable stick I've ever used. I love these sticks as we play pop punk, which is fast and hard. It's always a show, and I need a stick that can handle everything I throw at them. This is one very fast stick with great control and great balance. There's loads of reasons why I love being part of the Collision team. Not only do they make great sticks, but I love the ethos of the company. Collision don't just sell sticks. They care about the artists. They support players at all levels with their backstage online support, which is second to none. Inclusion is everything to me. As an artist, a social entrepreneur, it's a win-win that Collision is perfectly aligned with my very DNA as a musician and a band. Over to MCC Studios in Manchester now for a bit of a nice recording that we did with Dave Pepper.
Drive a fancy car and you wear the sharpest suits. You're the scene, cause you're everywhere. You're so obscene, cause you're everywhere. I hear your name in crowded rooms, a face of aces, and guys that burn so free. You're dead for you and only you, and they love you, and they love, cause you are greatest man that never was. You're a star, and you're fading fast. You are greatest man that never was. In an age of cutthroat suicide, very good with his hands, but he's not the brightest star. He paints a picture so black and blue. Just be thankful that it isn't you. You hear the shouts and you hear the screams, but you'll do absolutely nothing. You hear the shouts and you hear the screams, and I'm asking you to do something. You are the greatest man that ever was. You're a star, and you're fading fast. You are greatest man that never was. In an age of cutthroat suicide. Two, three, four. Greatest man that never was. You're a star, and you're fading fast. You are greatest man that never was. In an age of cutthroat suicide, you are greatest man that never was. You're a star, and you're fading fast. You are greatest man that never was. In an age of cutthroat suicide, guitar. Yes, nice one.